Chopped garlic sometimes turns green or blue due to natural chemical reactions. This color change in garlic is a normal occurrence and not an indication of spoilage. Enzymatic reactions involving sulfur compounds are responsible for the discoloration in chopped garlic. Garlic contains natural sulfur compounds. Cutting or crushing garlic releases these sulfur compounds. Released sulfur compounds react with acids, forming colorful compounds. Cutting garlic releases enzymes stored within its cells. These enzymes catalyze the breakdown of compounds in garlic. The breakdown results in the release of sulfur-containing molecules. Sulfur compounds react with acids, such as lemon juice or vinegar. This reaction forms new compounds that exhibit a range of colors. The interaction between sulfur compounds and acids results in a visible color change. The resulting color is determined by the specific combination of sulfur compounds and acids. Variations in the compound and acid mixtures produce a spectrum of hues. The color spectrum ranges from emerald green to sky blue. The color change observed in garlic is a natural chemical reaction. This transformation is not indicative of dangerous chemicals or spoilage. The color change is a normal transformation of the garlic's natural components. Older garlic may contain higher concentrations of the enzymes responsible for color change reactions. Garlic grown in specific regions can exhibit more frequent color changes due to varying enzyme levels. Increased enzyme concentrations accelerate the reactions that lead to garlic discoloration. Storage conditions can influence the likelihood of garlic turning green or blue. Certain storage environments promote the chemical reactions that cause discoloration in garlic. Controlling storage conditions can help preserve the natural color and quality of garlic. Pickled garlic can turn bright green due to the acidic environment of the pickling brine. The color change is a result of a chemical process triggered by the acidity of the pickling solution. This color change demonstrates a common chemical reaction in food preservation. In Korean and Chinese cultures, colorful garlic is considered a desirable and festive ingredient. The culinary appeal of colorful garlic is highlighted by its use in traditional dishes and celebrations. Colorful garlic's presence in cultural cuisine signifies its importance and festive nature. Despite color changes, garlic remains safe for consumption. The altered garlic retains its original flavor profile. Nutritional value is preserved in discolored garlic. Color changes can occur during cooking processes. Combining garlic with acidic ingredients may induce color variations. These color changes can result in visually interesting dishes. Experimenting with garlic in cooking unlocks a spectrum of flavor profiles. Garlic's transformation through cooking reveals its versatility. Embrace the potential for colorful transformations by incorporating garlic into various recipes. Green or blue garlic discoloration is not indicative of mold or spoilage. This color change is a natural reaction resulting from garlic's sulfur compounds. Green or blue garlic is safe to consume and does not pose any food safety risks. Understanding the scientific principles behind cooking enhances culinary creativity. Scientific knowledge allows for a deeper appreciation of natural food processes and transformations. Applying scientific methods in the kitchen leads to innovative flavor combinations and textures. Viewers are encouraged to share their own experiences with colorful garlic. The video reinforces the message that colorful garlic is a safe kitchen phenomenon. This phenomenon is a fascinating and safe addition to culinary exploration.